warning for Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chadarville, or 8 miles south of Monroe, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Several reports of ping pong ball to golf ball sized hail were received from Stephenson County. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Edgerton, Evansville, Brodhead, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Fulton, Magnolia, Dayton, Attica, Cooksville, Judah, Avon, Indian Fort, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The 9 p.m. weather.